What's up, rollers, and welcome to another episode of All Things. I'm your host, Nicholas Ramsey, and I hope you all enjoyed last night's episode of UNC Chapel Hill because I surely enjoyed recording it. So, y'all, if you're new to the channel, welcome in. And if you don't know All Things, we're pretty much doing a recap summary of the school that I visited the previous episode. So, last night was UNC Chapel Hill, all that stuff. So if you haven't already, please do me a huge favor, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and turn on post notifications so you miss any of the latest content. And if you feel like somebody will be blessed by this material, go ahead and share with them so they can become a part of the roller community. So we're not going to waste any more time, and let's get right into all things. So a little bit about UNC Chapel Hill. It was founded on December 11, 1789, which makes it the oldest public university in the nation. Crazy, right? So greats went there, like Michael Jordan. He is an alumni of UNC Chapel Hill, and they have a very good basketball team. So we're going to get into that a little bit later. But let's start with the not so fun things to talk about. Number one on the agenda today is tuition. If you're living on/off campus, the tuition is going to be the same. No matter if you're off campus with family, dependents, that tuition is going to be the same. What you're going to see a difference in is going to be the housing. And I'm going to link this chart because it has so many different variables and so many things that you can click through to see, what you'll be working with if you do want to attend this college. And then that is going to be for in-state. Now, out-of-state tuition is pretty much always going to be more than if you live in the state of the school that you want to attend. So, just for example, in-state tuition, if you're living off campus, is $7,000. But if you're going to live on/off campus and you're coming from out of state, $39,000. So that is a huge jump. So just keep that in mind when you are applying to any out-of-state college, that you are going to be paying that out-of-state tuition. So now that you all see the cost of tuition, I say don't get discouraged because our next topic is going to be scholarships. Now, scholarships are very, very helpful. I'm always an advocate for scholarships because they truly helped me when Sorry, this plant is in the way, but they truly helped me as I went through my college journey. I gotta stop saying so much. I watched my last video and was like, I said so much. There I go again. UNC offers the Morehead Cain Scholarship, which is one of the most prestigious undergraduate scholarships in the country, and it also is the first merit scholarship-based program in the United States. Now, UNC Chapel Hill awards the Morehead Cain Scholarship to exceptional students from around the world, so not just in the United States. You don't have to be from here to get that scholarship. You just got to go to school at UNC, and it covers full tuition and other expenses. Now, it is very competitive, but what's a little competition, right? So if you want more information about that scholarship, visit moreheadcain.org. Now, UNC also offers a lot of academic scholarships. As you can see on this list, we have the Blue Sky Scholars Scholarships, the Carolina Scholarships, so many different scholarships here. You can go through and click this arrow. I'm going to post a link, and it's just going to show you everything that they offer for scholarship wise. And it's going to be a lot of work to go through and look through everything. But trust me, y'all, it's better to do it now than graduate college with all this debt. And you have to work and work and work to pay off this debt. Do it now, y'all. Do it. And then on top of that, they have other scholarship opportunities like sports scholarships. They have other things that you can apply for. So the sky is really the limit. So now that I gave you all the UNC-based scholarships, we're going to go outside of UNC. So one website that I'm truly an advocate for, and I say this on all of my videos, is Scholly. That is SCHOLLY. Scholly helped me in college, and it's still going on, so definitely give them a look. Also look at scholarships.com. I think it's scholarships.com. Yep, it's scholarships.com. And then the CBCF, Congressional Black Caucus Foundation, they helped me for about 2 or 3 years while I was in college. So truly, y'all, just go through, do your research, and there are many more websites out here than just the ones that I have listed. These are just the ones that I know off the top of my head. But go out there, do your research, y'all, and don't let the cost of tuition cost you from going to your dream school. That's a bar right there. Now, with that being said, we're going to go into our next topic, which is going to be the admission requirement. Is UNC test optional? On May 23rd, 2024, the Board of Governors updated the minimum admissions requirements to apply to any of the UNC institutions as below. You don't need to submit any test scores for 2024-2025. And I've been noticing a lot more schools are doing that now. So that's a really good thing, because when I was applying for schools, I definitely had to send those things out. This was back in like 2018. But here is the snapshot of what they are looking for. And if you want to find out more, definitely visit this link that is going to be northcarolina.edu/student/admissions. And you can click through. They will show you everything that you need in order to be a successful applicant here at UNC. Now, for application deadlines, there are some different deadlines. So early action, we have the application deadline of October 15th. So if you want to get into fall 2025, you have to apply by October 15th, and then they'll tell you the decision by January 31st, 2025. Regular decision is going to be January 15th, 2025, and then you'll know by March 31st, 2025. So just gives you a little time frame of, just look. And I love that they're saying that they are accepting their applications through the Common App. Common App is how I got into college. It was very helpful. I didn't have to do a scholarship. I mean, not a scholarship, but I didn't have to do an essay for every college that I applied to, because that's very time consuming. And do I really have that much to say? So it was like 1 or 2 essays maybe for all the colleges that I applied for. And I got accepted through college through the Common App. So I definitely recommend you looking into Common App. And if you want to apply for UNC, that's how they do it. Common App. And just go ahead and look up Common App. Look up Common Application and see what it's all about. All right, now for demographics. So as you all can see from the chart, this is a predominantly white school. They have an Asian population, Hispanic or Latino population. Then they have a 9.58% Black or African American population. So, take that information and do what you want with it. I'm just here to report it. All right, y'all. So we are going to head into sports. So this is the school that the great Michael Jordan went to and played basketball for, which is crazy because I was actually watching Air the other day with Viola Davis and I forgot the other actor's name, but it was such a good movie. So if you haven't seen that, I definitely recommend you checking it out. And I'm gonna just do a quick divert a little bit, but how he really advocated, his mom really advocated for him and the sale of the Jordan shoes. They were offering him, I think, $250,000, but his mom was like, okay, we'll take it, but we need a percentage of each shoe that is sold. And it's just a really good story, y'all. So go ahead and check that out. It's called Air with Viola Davis. I think it came out in 2023. On the topic of sports, we're going to go into what sports UNC Chapel Hill has to offer. So they have to offer a few different sports, as you all can see on this list right here. They have basketball, field hockey, lacrosse, softball, track and field. They have a lot of different sports for males and females. They have a lot to offer. So yeah, I'm really trying to think if there's anything else that needs to be covered. I don't think so. I think I really covered everything. Nightlife, I was looking to see what Nightlife was around and all. When I was there, I mean, granted it's summer now, so it wasn't really much going on. And I also didn't stay on campus either, but during the school time, I'm sure they have a lot of stuff going on. I don't know for sure because I was looking up, but it's a college campus, so parties, homecoming, tailgates, all that. And with such a popular basketball team, they are number 7 in the nation right now, according to the 2023-2024 AP press release for the basketball season. They're doing really good, so that they have a lot of school spirit, the Tar Heels. So yeah, I'm sure they got a lot going on. But Y'all, I think that is it. I am a little tired if y'all cannot tell. I feel like I'm all over the place. So when I edit this up, I hope that everything just comes together well. If you see a lot of cuts, edits, and stuff, mind your business. Okay, y'all. I'm tired. Well, y'all, that's it. I'm done. Thank you all so much for checking out another episode of All Things. If there's any suggestions, y'all, of how I can make not only All Things better, but campus tours better, if there's things that y'all want to see, things y'all want to see me implement, please don't be afraid to share it with me, because I'm all about improving and this content really is for y'all. So whatever I can do to be a better assistance to y'all, please let me know. And please, y'all, do me a huge favor. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content, y'all. Thank you for your support. And until the next time, please stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed, tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later.